Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So towards the end of the previous video, we're discussing about Boolean data types, right? So previous video, we're discussing integer and float type data. And towards the end, where when we're comparing two values, we were the Python basically gave out some output in the form of true and false, right? And that is Boolean. So today we'll be discussing about that. So let's start. So suppose we have x is equal to 3, okay, and you have y is equal to 3.0, okay, and you want to do x equal to y. If I want to compare whether x and y are equal, it will give me true. Whereas if I do type of x equal to type of y, it will give me false. So whenever I say equal to, it simply means that you are asking Python if they are equal. That is what you are basically trying to ask. Okay. Similarly, I'll say 4 is greater than 3. Yes, it's true, right? 4 is less than minus 5. It is false, right? So now, if I write in Python true, you can see it becomes green in color. The font becomes green, which means that Python understands true. Okay, just like this. And now, how does Python interpret true? So if I do true plus false, what do I get? So interesting, isn't it? I get 1. So if I do true plus true again, I get 2. So can I do, so basically Python is interpreting true as 1 and false as 0, right? So if I multiply true into false, I get 0. If I multiply true into true, I get 1. Can I divide true by 2? So Python is interpreting true as 1 and false as 0. So we'll be typically using these kind of Boolean operations or Boolean results to slice or to extract information out from larger data sets, right? Okay. There's a link to a cricket analytics case study in the description on my channel, and you can click on it to understand how this can be used further to extract information out from larger data frames or tables, right? Okay. Now, so now if I want to understand the type of this, I was speaking about Boolean, but let's see if I do this type of true, what does it return? It gives me, indeed gives me a Boolean. So basically this is a Boolean type of data, right? So till now we've understood 3 types. So one is integer, one is float, and the other one is true. Okay. Now let's try to see, we knew that true into 4 will give me 4 because true is interpreted as 1. Now can I multiply true with a float? Let's try to see. It indeed can be multiplied as well. Can I divide it by a float? Yes, we can. So Boolean and integers and floats as well can be operated with any mathematical operation. That is what we understood. Okay, so we'll be using the same Boolean data to extract out information from data frames as well. We'll try to see how it is possible. Suppose we have a data frame and say we have, suppose we have a data frame like this. Okay, let's say, when I say data frame, I mean it's a spreadsheet. Okay, it's a table, all right? And there are a lot of columns here, and one of the columns is salary. A lot of salaries are there. Now, if I want to extract those rows, okay, those rows where the salary is greater than 40,000 rupees. If I want to extract this, I'll use something like this, where I'll be using this to extract out all the information out where this condition is satisfied, right? So for all those rows where it is true, it will give me those observations where which satisfies this particular condition. So it's a very important data type, and we indeed need to, we can use it for many such tasks. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We'll pick up the next data type, which is very interesting, which is called as strings. right? And we'll try to see how Python understands strings, or what you call as alphabets, right? And that will be very interesting to see. So see you in the next video. Please share, subscribe, and like.